Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I would like to introduce you to the new Milwaukee 12-piece hole dozer carbide teeth hole saw kit. These are multi-material bits. For instance, they can drill through stainless steel, cast iron, cement board, plaster, asphalt shingles, abrasive materials, and fastener embedded wood. The cutting depth is 1 5/8 inches, so they are long enough to easily cut through 2x material. They feature a 3-tooth per inch design for fast cutting. The bits feature all access slots, which are meant to solve the frustration of plug removal, which would give you higher productivity due to decreased downtime between your holes. They are also designed for faster chip ejection so that your bits stay cooler longer. These bits are made in the USA. The sizes in the 12-piece kit are 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, 1 3/8, 1 3/4, 2 inch, 2 1/4, and 2 1/2. The kit comes with 2 mandrels, 2 extra pilot pits, a hex key, and a carrying case. The larger mandrel, this is the mandrel right here, is used with the 4 larger bits. And you see, all of these larger bits have 4 holes right here, and that's how you know that they need to be used with the larger mandrel. These right here are called drive pins, okay, and the drive pins go in the holes. So let me demonstrate here. Okay, the first thing you want to do is screw this bolt all the way back, okay, and you push that back. Okay, see, this is threaded right here. You take it and you put it on. You screw this down till it's almost touching the drive pins. You take your drive pins and put it through 2 of the holes like that. And now tighten up the nut like this. And it's just hand tight. Just do it hand tight. The 4 smaller bits use the smaller mandrel, and all you do to use this smaller mandrel is just take and screw this on like this. Just hand tight. It'll tighten up the rest of the way as you're using it. This is the 1 3/4 inch hole dozer drilling through 2x material. Whew. There you go. So now I'm going to try some multi-material drilling. This is 20 gauge sheet metal, and this is the 2x8. And I'm going to use the hole dozer to drill through both of them at the same time. This is a 1 3/4 inch hole dozer bit. All right, I'm going to put it on speed 1. Now I'll put it on speed 2. All right, there you go. Here's the sheet metal and here's the wood. And then to get the plug out, just kind of work at it. The screwdriver is kind of big. Okay. All right, so there's the plug. Just comes right out. Now I'm going to drill through roof shingle and then the 2x8. And this time I'll start in speed 1. That should do better. Okay. Okay, I'll switch it to speed 2. There you go. plug just came out. That's kind of cool that the plug came out by itself. Okay. So here's sheet metal, and here's roofing shingle. Here's the hole through the sheet metal, and here's the hole through the roofing shingle. To remove this bit, just loosen up this nut right here, take it all the way back. Okay, now you got the drive pins going in through the bit. Just back this off like that. There. Okay, these are your drive pins right here, and now you just unscrew it, unscrew the bit, and there it's off. If you want to put on a new bit, this is a 2-inch. That was a 1 3/4 I just took off. Okay, screw this on like that. Put your drive pins back a ways. Okay, now when you're about 1/8 of an inch or so from the drive pins, just take them and turn them and put them right through the holes like that. Doesn't matter which holes. And now you take your nut and you screw it onto this portion of your mandrel. Hand tight, real nice, and there you go. You've just put on a new bit. The larger mandrel has a 7/16 quick change shank. If you want to change out your pilot bit, just put your hex key right here in the hex key area and open it up. Take out the pilot bit, and you see it's flat right here on one side. Put the flat side towards the hex key right there. Okay, and then you take your hex wrench and tighten her up, and you've changed a pilot bit. Then tighten this back down. Okay, hand tight, hand tight. There you go. You're ready to go drill some 2-inch holes. The 12-piece hole dozer kit with the carbide teeth that I just showed in the video costs about $145, and there's also a 10-piece electrician's kit that costs about $90. I'll put links for both in my video description. I'll also put a link for the new Milwaukee hammer drill driver that I used in the video, and I'll put a link for the kit that includes the hammer drill driver and the new M18 impact driver. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.